Hey guys, this is Natalie. I'm back today and we're going to do a Halloween tutorial with the assistance of the beautiful
Trinity-Rose Ortiz.
All right, Trinity. So, can you tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Yeah.
So, how old are you?
7.
And what grade are you in?
2nd grade.
Awesome sauce. All right. So, we're going to be back in a few seconds and get started on this zombie Walking Dead look for you guys. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm starting in with some artificial scratches here. You can use any red lip liner or eyeliner. In my case, I used an eyeliner. So I made like 3 scratch marks. And don't be alarmed, I use clear nail polish. Very low strength. It's just a basic top coat. Dries pretty quickly. As you can tell, I don't really use it, so it dried really fast. It's very thin. And she had no allergic reaction to it, no adverse reactions to it, and it came off with soap and water. And now I'm going in with Elmer's glue, and I'm going to glue on the toilet paper to create the makeshift gash. So I'm applying the Elmer's glue and I'm going to attach the tissue. I applied 2 layers of this onto her forehead. As you see. Now I had to cut this a little bit. I had to go in a little bit more. It was overlapping on her eyebrow, and I did not want to apply glue to her eyebrow because I know later on taking that off and her little hairs on her eyebrow, that might have been a nuisance to get out. Gotta give props to baby girl. She was very patient. So I'm going in again to darken the red, and because I had that layer of clear coat, it did seem a lot darker. Then I went in with a second coat. I'll let it dry. My baby girl silly. She loves the camera though. And now I'm using a foundation close to her color and covering up with a tissue. I also go around her face with it. I'm going to go wet the sponge or dampen it a bit. So, cover your whole face with this to even out, give it a more uniform look. So now we're going to go in with the zombie here. I'm going to use the same brush because it don't matter. I guess the messier it looks, the better. You gotta excuse me guys, I still have a cold. So I'm using the sponge to this is all oil-based stuff, so I'm not worried about the sponge getting messed up or anything like that. It's a pretty thin cream, not thick at all. As you see, I'm going around the gash because it's still a little wet. You see, I went in twice with the zombie cream from the dollar store. And now I'm using the brush to paint around it and blending it out with the sponge. Now I'm going in with Modern Renaissance, Beverly Hills, Vietnam Red, Anastasia Beverly Hills, excuse me. And it's the only color I used from the palette, but it was to create a more irritated look on the scratches. And I used some on the gash as well, just very lightly. And this sponge came with the zombie cream. It's great texture. Can't really tell on the camera. It's either that or the base of it was too thin to really show. So now I'm going in with Elf's single pot eyeshadow in black. And I'm creating the darkness and contrast, giving her hollow eyes. She was like, oh my God. I realized that it was kind of hard to blend this eyeshadow in. The cream is oil-based and the powder is powder, but it was absorbed very quickly by the oil-based cream. So it was kind of hard to smudge it in once it was on the face. And I had a bit of trouble smudging out the harsh lines and the brush strokes. So next time I might just skip the zombie cream and just use baby powder. I went over the scratches because you can clearly still see her flesh tone. I tried to smudge the best I could out. She was loving it. She was just so happy to be in the video. Love her. And now it's her favorite part of it, like mine. The blood. So now you just dab it into the cut, the slit. And all around the edges too to mask and blend out the obvious edges of the toilet paper. I added more blood than needed onto the brush so it can create a drip effect. I traced over the scars as well. And let it drip. I also applied it to the corners of her mouth and around her mouth a bit so it looked like she just had some human brains. Excuse me, guys. There you go. Finish. Alright guys, thanks for watching our YouTube video on the Halloween zombie look. Starring Trinity-Rose Ortiz. 2nd grader, 7 years old. And this was all her idea. She wanted to do the zombie look. And I hope you guys have a safe and happy Halloween. But before we go, Trinity has some advice she would like to share with you guys. So what's your advice for Halloween?
My advice is that let your mom or dad check your candy before you eat it.
Do you have any other advice you want to give?
Yep.
What's that?
Don't talk to strangers and don't go inside strangers' house.
That's right. That's some very good advice, Trinity-Rose. So, with that, we'll wrap it up for today. And thanks for watching. And have a happy Halloween, you guys.
Rah, rah.
Rawr.